What's up? I'm going to show you how to turn this to this. Alright guys, so everything you're going to need for in this video I'm going to link down in the description below, but this is a majority of the stuff we're going to need. One, you're going to need a double din head unit. I picked the Sony. You're going to need the Metra double din dash kit, which I painted white. You're going to need a wiring adapter harness, which I already kind of crimped together. You're going to need a new 7-inch bezel for the tablet. You're going to need a 7-inch tablet that runs Android software, a USB cable, and this is just me. I decided to paint this shifter bezel, I guess. Alright, to start off, you're going to want to take off the shifter bezel, which goes right here. It's kind of easy. You just stick either a pry tool or a butter knife or something right here, pop it up. I'm doing a custom shift boot, which I'm going to make another video for, so that's why I have mine off, and I also painted my bezel. So what you're going to want to do to take out this part next is you're going to want to pull quite hard, but not too hard, on the bottom of this side, on the bottom of this, on both sides. Let me do that real quick. Use a butter knife as some leverage for the clips right here. There we go. So that part's out. You just gotta unclip all the wiring that's behind it. Let me see if I can get in there and show you. So you're gonna want to unclip this. I'll do it because I can only do it with both hands, but I'll show you once it's off, guys. Alright, I finally got all the clips popped off, so that's off. Alright, I'm just gonna put that on the floor. Alright, so next we're going to be popping out this bezel. Now there's going to be a couple clips right there, there, and then 2 at the bottom. So I'm going to let you watch me struggle at that real quick. More clip. Boom. Alright, got that off. Now you're going to want to unclip this. you're gonna want to unclip that clip right there. Alright, got that out. Now, there's gonna be Phillips right there. Oops, sorry. Focus. Phillips right there. Phillips right there. Phillips right there. Phillips right there. And Phillips right there. I'm gonna get those out and then I'll update you. Alright, that's the radio out. Unplug this. I suck with clips, just so everyone knows. Don't know what kind of clip that is, but there we go. There we go. And the last one is a ground, which we will steal. Alright, so there's the factory radio. Now, to get the head unit out. There should be one more clip. Oh, clips suck so much. Alright, there you go. That's everything out. Now, to start putting everything in. Alright, so we're going to start switching the gauge clusters, your hazards, passenger airbag, and all your climate control in this little box over here to the new bezel. Let's get started. One thing I forgot to mention, these little clips on your old one, you need to pop those off and put them on this. Alright guys, so I made a minor adjustment. All I did was I drilled a tiny little hole right there, and I stuck my USB cord through to charge a tablet, and it just plugged in right there. Alright guys, so this is the head unit that I got. All we got to do, we plug in our harness right there. This is just the microphone. So like I said earlier, I did this already just to save you some time. All you have to do is match the colors. It's really easy. So plug that in right there, and then you plug these two harnesses in to those two harnesses. Let's get to it. Alright, so I just plugged those two wires in Next, you have to plug this into the back of the radio right there. Alright, that's plugged in. I also forgot to mention that I already installed the side brackets, just 2 screws right there and right there. So we're going to test it real quick, see if it powers on. There we go, we got power. So I'm gonna go through this real quick and just make sure that everything's working, sound, Bluetooth and all that, and then I'll check back with you guys. Alright, real quick guys, before I get copyrighted. Yes, I know. So it is working, I'm getting sound, everything's good. The only one wire that I did miss, of course, was the antenna, which is that black wire right there. Alright, so I tucked all the wires behind, back there. Now we just gotta put the screws in, and then we put that bad boy in right there. So let's get to it. So that's going to be held in just like that. Alright, let's make sure AC and all that stuff works. So yes guys, before you do ask, you do have AC. Oop, let me turn that all the way down. So you will have AC, the only thing is you won't be able to see what fan level you're on and what your heat is on, so you just have to take a quick guess. Alright, so I'm going to finish buttoning this up. Let's see. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's all the way in. Alright, so that's all set up. Again, one more look. And then I do have the stuff to put the tablet in right now, up here. But I'm gonna wait till a little bit later to finish that part up. But you'll see it just now. Alright guys, it's a new day. So I did make a couple adjustments to the back of the tablet bezel. So let me show you that real quick. So I put the tablet in with some double-sided tape to hold that in. And I also had to cut a tiny notch out of it just so the charger can fit in it. But I'm gonna put this in now. Let's see what this is gonna look like, because this is gonna be the first time I'm seeing it as well. Alright, so that's what it's gonna look like. We have the full setup right there. So dash command basically is a secondary dash. So it shows my speedometer, my RPM, it shows boost, acceleration, horsepower, torque. You'd switch it around to a whole bunch of different stuff. So if I tap Excel, it goes to timing, power goes to intake temperatures, coolant temperatures, and you have fuel economy, statistics, more. You got timing again, fuel trims, you got your coolant temperatures, load, back to intake, ambient temperatures, your MAF, fuel pressure, AFRs, another AFR. You hold and main menu. You can also go to diagnostics. You can check for codes. So you can check stored codes, pending codes, permanent codes, and you can delete them, clear them, all that good stuff.